Welcome to Teen Science Pop-Up. This is Jackie and Calla from the Champaign Public Library. This summer we'll be releasing science kits on June 8th, June 22nd, July 13th, and July 27th. You can pick up your kits at the children's desk at the main library. This week's science kit is slime. In your kit you'll find dyed glue, liquid starch, and a popsicle stick. Start by pouring your glue into a bowl. Add some of your liquid starch into the bowl and use the popsicle stick to mix. The glue will start to thicken. Add more liquid starch, mixing it in each time. When the glue is thickened enough for you to handle, begin using your hands to help mix the glue and liquid starch together. Your slime will still be sticky. Continue to work the glue and liquid starch together. Continue adding liquid starch as needed. Your slime is ready to play with once it no longer quickly sticks to your hands. Keep your slime in an airtight container when you're not playing with it.